Are you a lurker when it comes to your repair information? We're going to find out how to become an active member and why it's important next.
This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
Big data can be a very confusing term. Some people talk about terabytes, gigabytes, but when it comes to your repair information, it's starting to become more critical to make your shop more productive. What I'm talking about is your entire repair process from start to finish. It could be writing up the vehicle at the beginning, creating an RO where you get the VIN number, the mileage, and also the customer's complaint. Those are 3 great pieces of data. Then when it goes back to the shop and the shop starts looking up what codes and what's wrong with the vehicle, those are other pieces of information that are critical to this big data equation. On top of that, once you order a part and if it solves the problem and the customer does not come back, that is a complete piece of data that can help out another repair shop down the road. And this is happening all over the place. A shop in California can see the same problem as a shop in New York. And once you start to build this data and put it into a database, like on some repair information databases, it becomes very valuable for you to solve a problem right the first time. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.